What is up, YouTube? My name is Aditya and welcome back to our channel, Watches for Trading. In this video, I'm going to be discussing about volatility contraction pattern and the high probability areas or point of interest where you can find them. All right, so I have already uploaded two parts and the link for which will be down in the description. You can just go ahead, click on the link and watch the videos. I have also created a playlist so you can go in the playlist section and find out the videos. All right. So if you have any doubts, if you feel like there's something missing, you can just let me know and I'll cover it up for you because I've already discussed the entries and everything. If you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Make sure you like the video and share this video as much as you can. So I'll just share you some insights about I'm going to share you some insights about how to identify high probability trading conditions and high probability areas where VCP will work extremely well. Identify, see, when you go on to the charts, the problem is that everybody is looking for those pattern right here, but there are conditions of high resistance and low resistance which one needs to understand. If somebody understands this high resistance condition and low resistance condition, if you take VCP trades at low resistance conditions, you will see it spiking up like this. High resistance conditions, and if you are entering a VCP trade like this, it will go up and then hit your SL and then probably go up like this and probably do this. So this is not the perfect scenario for you. For the perfect scenarios for you is this. All right. So how to identify is something that is very important. But before we get on to that, what you need to understand is where you are supposed to identify or where you are supposed to look for these setups, like these setups where they should form. Because when you go on to the chart, it's not like some support and resistance, not always. There will be some times where prices will take support here and contract and then shoot higher, which is fine. But you cannot use this every single time. To see this, there needs to be a build-up. There needs to be a build-up. And a build-up consists of two things. Number one, origin, supply. So what is a supply zone? So in this case, if you see here, this is a base. This is what we call a base. And when the price breaks out here, this is what we call as a supply zone. The same way, if I have this base, this is a consolidation. The price breaks out of this consolidation. This is your clue to take a short. This is your clue to take a long position. However, one should understand that not every condition this pattern will work out for you. You need to identify which zone is important for you. You need to identify a build-up. You need to wait for that build-up and let that build-up form so that you can time your entries as per intraday timings. Okay, so this is your origin supply, this is your origin demand. So what you have to do is go to your stocks watch list. So I have selected Nifty 400 mid cap because this is where you will identify majority of the VCP patterns and select any stock that is liquid. Okay, select any stock that is liquid. Do not try to trade into illiquid stocks. Okay, so if you look at the candlesticks right here, the candlesticks are pretty volatile, so they are moving somewhere. Okay, so that is a good sign. So if you see here, you will find out that VCP pattern a lot. So these small candles, the contraction here is your clue to take longs. There will be conditions of VWAP that the price should be above VWAP most of the time. Okay, and there should be origin demand. There should be origin demand. So what is this? This is your origin demand. Price breaks out of this, take support right here. Then what does the price do here? It creates demand right here. It breaks out. Okay, so this is a breakout. If you see, it breaks out of this consolidation, comes back, starts taking support at this demand zone, starts pushing higher. So if you see, look at the order flow here. Demand zone, demand zone. This is what you need to look for before entering these contraction trades. However, this is a very smaller time frame structure. Your structure or your trades or your build-up should start from the daily time frame. So you need to identify structures on the daily time frame and then trade those structures. All right. So how do we do that? So in this case, I cannot identify anything. It's in a complete downtrend. So it's not good. Yeah. So if you see this particular stock right here. So look at this consolidation right here. Keep this stock in your on your charts and mark this demand zone. Mark this demand zone. So demand zones are completely like protecting this particular stock from going lower. And definitely very soon you will see the price spike up. So this is going to be there in my chart. So what will I do now? Once I identify these structures, I'll go down to the smaller time frame. So I'll go down to the 1 hour time frame. I'll remove VWAP for now. And as I am here, I am looking at these structures right here. Okay, these structures right here. Are they well enough for me to take an intraday trade? 1 hour definitely looks nice. Okay, price should not break below this demand zone. Price should not break below this zone right here. It can go deep down, but it should spike up. This is what I want. I want to see a V recovery from here. So this is one of the trades that you can take when you are dip down here. But apart from this, if I go to 5 minute time frame, so this stock is still tradable. If you see, like it has nice candlesticks, it's fine. Like at here, it's fine. It's not gonna do any harm to you. But this is what you need to look for. Okay, so let's understand the structures here. At this point, we have consolidations here. We have a consolidation here. If you see the demand zone, it did not respected the demand zone right here. Price came like it went below around here again. So these demand zones are not being respected. So what will you do at this point? If you see clearly, okay, you see clearly this area is a supply zone. Price breaks below. Price comes here, starts rejecting, goes back up, starts rejecting, goes back up. Again, what is this? This is a supply, right? So the supply breaks above very easily. So now what I'm waiting for the price to do is these supplies, sorry, this supply is already broken, so it's of no use. So, but there is a supply right here. Okay, please note this. There is a supply right here. So the price as of now just gave us some reaction from here. What can I look for? So all you need to now understand is price development. Price development is a very tough task to identify. Okay. So in this video, I'm just leaving you here to look at this particular stock. This particular stock will be useful for us if we are not going below this area. If you're not going below this low, this particular stock will definitely play out in our favor. And in future, in coming days, I will also explain Wyckoff in this particular scenarios, like how Wyckoff is supposed to play out. But to see this particular stock go higher, we want to see these lows getting hunted. And this is where if you see this supply zone, will act as this. Then I want to see a build up. I want to see a build up where there is a base here. Then price breaks above this. Right here, there is some supply. Sorry, there's some demand here. In this case, I want to see price create more build up. Okay, more build up. And then this is where the market will give you a sign of contraction, a sign of contraction. If the market fails here, it's fine. But when the market fails here, definitely we will get some sort of contractions around here, which will shoot like this. So this particular stock is going to be in my watch list for some time until and unless I get to see a very high probability trade, which you can also hold for swing trades and take out this particular high for some major gains. All right. Because this particular stock is going in a very nice build up manner. And if this continues, we can definitely see a very nice spike up at any point of time. So if I go to weekly time frame, yeah, everything looks fine. It is about to break out. Look at these. These candles are your contraction candles. So one spike on weekly time frame is a must. We should definitely see something on weekly time frame. This is monthly time frame. If these three candles, they are like contracting at around here, one can use the concept of order blocks and expect markets to shoot up from here at any given point of time. All right, guys. So this is where I'll end the video. I hope you liked it. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, like button, and share this channel, share this video as much as you can. Thank you so much, guys. Have a nice day.